It's celebration day! Woohoo! So for the last 30 days, I've done a video every day. Now it's time to celebrate. Don't forget to hit subscribe and notify to get all of my tips and strategies if you want to grow your business faster with less stress. So, like I said, the last 30 days, I've done a video every day. Now, I've done video before on a regular basis, but never like this. Each morning I'd get up and I'd get a prompt and I would fashion my video based on that prompt. And I'll be honest, some days was really challenging. Not only was I learning how to fashion videos within a certain structure, I was also learning how to edit the videos. And gotta tell you, I've never done that before, and I came away with learning a few things. So, the top three things that I came away with learning: number one, it's okay to be uncomfortable for a few minutes a day. It means growing your business. Number two, stretching yourself is good. Number three, and I think this is the most important one, consistency really is king because it creates a habit. If you'd like to grow your business faster with less stress, scroll all the way down to the bottom and hit Success with Karen B. Have a great day, and I'll see you on the next one.